Have you ever checked into a beautiful hotel and immediately thought, I wish my home felt like this? What's interesting is that luxury hotels don't necessarily fill their rooms with expensive furniture. Instead, they're incredibly intentional about how the space looks, feels, and functions. Even a standard room can feel calm, elegant, and memorable because every detail is working together. The good news is that you don't need a five-star renovation to recreate that feeling. Many of the things luxury hotels do are surprisingly affordable and easy to copy at home. Today, I'm sharing 7 things luxury hotels always do that can instantly make your apartment or home feel more elevated. 1. They layer the lighting. One of the first things you'll notice in a luxury hotel room is how comfortable the lighting feels. Instead of relying on one bright overhead fixture, hotels use several warm light sources throughout the room to create depth and atmosphere. You'll usually find bedside lamps, a desk lamp, wall sconces, or subtle accent lighting working together. The result is a room that feels warm and inviting instead of flat and overly bright. At home, try adding 2 or 3 warm light sources instead of turning on that ceiling light every evening. Table lamps, floor lamps, and even rechargeable picture lights can completely change the mood of a room. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make, and it immediately makes your home feel more expensive. 2. They make the bed the star. Luxury hotels know exactly where your attention should go when you walk into the room. The bed. It feels plush, inviting, and perfectly made. The secret isn't dozens of decorative pillows. It's quality bedding, full pillows, a fluffy duvet, and a clean, simple presentation. You can create this look without buying a new mattress. Replace flattened pillows, use crisp white or neutral bedding, and add one textured throw blanket across the foot of the bed. When the bed becomes the focal point, the entire bedroom instantly feels more luxurious. 3. They hide the clutter. One reason hotel rooms feel so relaxing is that almost nothing is left sitting out. Chargers disappear into drawers, coffee supplies are neatly organized, and countertops stay clear. At home, visual clutter slowly accumulates until every surface starts collecting mail, charging cables, receipts, or miscellaneous items. Individually, they don't seem like much, but together they make a room feel busy. Before buying more decor, try removing the visual noise. Use decorative trays, baskets, drawer organizers, and storage boxes so everyday items have a dedicated place. Luxury spaces rarely have less stuff. They simply hide it better. 4. They turn the bathroom into a spa. Luxury hotels don't treat the bathroom as just a functional space. They make it feel like part of the experience. You'll notice matching towels, clean countertops, flattering lighting, and very little visual clutter. Everything feels fresh, organized, and relaxing. You can create that same feeling at home with a few simple upgrades. Replace colorful plastic bottles with refillable dispensers. Use matching towels. Keep only your daily essentials on the counter. And consider adding a shower filter if you have hard water. Small changes like these make your everyday routine feel a little more indulgent. 5. They create a signature hotel scent. One thing almost every luxury hotel has in common is that it smells memorable. Many upscale hotels actually create their own signature fragrance, so guests begin associating that scent with comfort, relaxation, and luxury the moment they walk through the doors. Your home can have that same effect. Instead of rotating between different candles, air fresheners, and seasonal scents, choose one fragrance that becomes your home signature. Fresh linen, white tea, sandalwood, bergamot, cedarwood, or soft vanilla are all classic choices because they feel clean and sophisticated without being overempowering. The key is subtlety. You shouldn't immediately notice the fragrance when you walk into the room. Instead, it should simply make the space feel fresh, calming, and welcoming. A reed diffuser near the entryway, a quality candle in the living room, or an essential oil diffuser running for a short time each day is usually all you need. It's a small detail that most people can't quite identify, but they'll almost always notice how good your home feels the moment they walk inside. 6. They keep the color palette calm. Luxury hotels rarely overwhelm you with bright colors competing for attention. Instead, they rely on warm neutrals like cream, ivory, taupe, soft gray, warm wood, and muted metals. Texture does most of the work, with linen, wood, stone, glass, and soft fabrics adding depth without creating visual chaos. You don't have to repaint your entire home to achieve this look. Simply choose bedding, towels, curtains, rugs, and accessories that complement each other instead of competing, can make the entire room feel calmer and more refined. 7. They leave space to breathe. Perhaps the biggest difference between a luxury hotel room and an ordinary room is what isn't there. Luxury hotels don't fill every shelf, every countertop, or every corner. They intentionally leave empty space because it allows the beautiful pieces to stand out. Many of us accidentally do the opposite. We keep adding another basket, another picture frame, another decorative object until the room starts feeling crowded. Before buying something new, try removing a few things instead. Clear one countertop, simplify one shelf, or take one unnecessary piece of furniture out of a crowded corner. Give a room space to breathe costs nothing, yet it often has the biggest impact. Luxury hotels aren't memorable because every item is expensive. They're memorable because every detail is intentional. They layer warm lighting, create inviting beds, hide clutter, design spa-like bathrooms, establish a signature scent, keep the color palette calm, and leave enough empty space for the room to breathe. The next time you stay at a beautiful hotel, don't just admire it. Pay attention to what they're doing, because most of those same ideas can make your own home feel calmer, warmer, and far more luxurious. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe for more ways to elevate your everyday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.